Good morning, my name is SURYANSH. I am a student of class 10th.
Good morning everyone, my name is NAITIK and I am a student of class 10. We both are from SHRI KENDRIYA Vidyalaya number 1 Ordnance Factory Task. Second portal is about chemistry workshop. Under this workshop, students can ask their doubts related to chemistry. And one of the key feature of this portal is there is one voice recording system. Under this, students can record their queries up to 90 seconds. And there are more some features like logarithm. And here are some free calculators for Faraday's law of electrolysis, which is very useful for students to use. Today we are here to present our project, which is based on web designing with artificial intelligence. Under this project, we have developed two portals. One is about Meri Apni Pehchan, and second is about chemistry workshop.
Namaskar, myself Amit Kumar TIWARI, PGT Chemistry of SHRI KENDRIYA Vidyalaya number 1 OF ITARSI. I am with the students who have prepared their project under web designing, and its topic is Meri Apni Pehchan of class 10 and Suryansh Raghuwanshi of class 10 of this Vidyalaya.